That's a lot of healthy food. Meron silang like kimchi. This one is organic. Yes, and look at that. This one is, I think it is only like mga 7,000 or 8,000 won. So, kain na tayo ng ating kaibigan. So, yes, kain na tayo. Sarap siya. So, we're gonna try first ang kanila milk. Ganda naman mga flowers. Yung bumili siya ng flowers. Ano na sa'yo? Very special day. Ito, ang vlog natin for today is we're gonna go eat some Korean food sa buffet. Kasi meron buffet dito in here is not too much expensive. Yes, ang mga Dapper Cards po natin, mabuhay po nga sa ating mga Dapper Cards na fresh ang mukha. And of course, they always inspired and never expired. Magandang gabi, umaga fall sa inyong lahat. So, I'm waiting my...
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you're pushing my limits.
Kasing-kasinan kasi kakain kami ng Korean food nga na yung buffet that's more cheap kasi tagal na rin hindi ko makain ng Korean food. So ito ang vlog natin for today and I explore you the beautiful Korea. So ito na ang aking kasing-kasinan. Ito, yes, mag-explore tayo. Yes, may a farm and you so in love with the coco. So right now we gonna go ang aking kasing-kasinan na laging fresh ang mukha. She never expired. Laging inspired at laging in love. Diba? Full of love. Sometimes, tumabi ka dyan. Mahal yung ano. Diba? Diba? And of course, a full of love. A victim of love. And of course, a love at first sight. So today is, let's go mga Dapper Cards, punta na tayo sa buffet. Yes. Kakain kami ng Korean food. What can you say? Pwede ka mag-hi sa mga Kapampangan, sa iyong nanay, yes, sa mother mo. Pwede mong i-shoutout ang ating mga Dapper Cards sa Planet Pluto, sa Planet Mars, maraming ete-ete, di ba? So, so I'll see you there. Finding yung Korean buffet na medyo mumurahin. Before, kumain ako doon like 10 years ago, it's 7,000 won. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano man. Siyempre, 10 years ago, this is a beautiful and of course, yeah. Nakipag-date na ako doon. Natulog na rin ako dito at kumuha na rin kami ng sili na pansisig dito. Pwede yung pansisig, that's so amazing. And of course, sa farm po ako lumaki. Dito yung farm nila. In here, look at that. Meron sila mga onions. So, we're gonna try to find out ngayon yung buffet. Sana makita namin kasi mag-work pa kami ng alas 6. Alam mo naman, pa sa gabi, di ba? Kailangan magtrabaho para kumita ng pera. So let's find out at para makita at makakain na almusal pananghali hapunan sa Korean buffet. Dapper Cards, syempre sa farm po ako lumaki. Yes, hindi ko na alam. Ito ang farm and of course, yun ang AI world. Yes. Ito right now is malapit na kami at nakita na namin yung buffet restaurant. And of course, I would like to introduce you my kasing-kasinan. You wanna say hi to your love life?
Hi.
Yun lang?
Kumakain ako ng kamote.
Napagtripan niya yung mga kamote because right in here in Korea is rich in mga vegetables. Oh my God, tulad ng mga talong na to. Look at that talong. Oh my God, no, you cannot pick up that one. Come on. Oh my God, gusto niyang kunin. Nakakita kasi ng talong na super laki. Oh my God, did you see the oak tree? Oh my God, it was so awesome. Diba? So nakita na namin. So, yun ang target natin, yung buffet. Sana bukas pa. I think it's okay. I think they open it right now. So eto na, papasok na kami. Papasok na kami. Dito kami kakain. Ano ba? Required daw with mask. So we're gonna go eat in here. So, and then, so we're gonna pick Rice. Crushing rice. You want rice? Oh. Yes, tapos super veggie. Yes, diba? So, kukuha lang kami. That's a lot of healthy food. Meron silang like kimchi. This one is organic. Yes, and look at that. This one is, I think here is only like mga 7,000 or 8,000 won. So, kain na tayo mga kaibigan. So, yes, kain na tayo. Sarap siya. So, we're gonna try first ang kanila milchi. This one is milchi. They call that dry fish. It's really good. Saan rice nila? Wow. And of course, this one is duck. It was really like super yummy. Saka yung kimchi. Kimchi is... It's organic. Fresh from the farm. Sarap. And cheers tayo. Siyempre ang aking kasing-kasinan, hindi siya galit sa gulay. Hindi siya galit sa gulay. And the gulay is, diba, mas mahal ang gulay. It's okay. So buffet is all eat all the time, but kailangan natin kumain ng bahay slowly. I think in this portion lang is talagang busog ka na. No. This one is peking dapat kwak-kwak. Ang sarap. It's like hammonated. And marinated. Meron pang rice. Right now it's almost 4, mga 5. Dinner time. Maraming kakain dito. And yung kimchi soup. And of course this one is tamang-tama. This one is very healthy. The dry rice. Yung dilis, yung dry fish. Ang sarap. Tamang-tama siyempre, we are Asian, we love rice. Masarap. And then pwede kang bumalik. Actually, meron din silang soju. Every restaurant, hindi mawawala ang kanilang soju. So, try naman tayo. Tapos this one is honey. Parang sa gusto.
Sarap.
Yaman.
Dala ko ng ganito. Mamaya pauwi tayo.
Of course, meron silang pa-free, like pa-free the coffee. So this one is good also. I have a super great time with that because like super healthy foods. Like, dumadami na yung mga kumakain because like it's dinner time na. So this one, and of course this one is meron silang pa-free. This one I think is ginseng and they have what you call parang honey. Sarap. Dinner time na, dadalo pa
Kasi
sa
may kinakain in here. Tapos meron silang light na hali. Manis lang ako ng toaster. Ang usap pa ng halian ako. Pwede kang tumira dito. Diba? Ang aking kasing-kasing you say hi to your love life.
Hi, Mike.
Kaya nagdala siya ng original. This one kasi is original strawberry. So we're gonna try. It's super yummy.
Homemade strawberry.
Sarap. Ah, it's super yummy.
Great time. Imagine that each person only like 7,000 won. It's really good. Ang aking kasing-kasi na may take-out. Kasi ewan ko nagdala sila ng lechon, nagdala sila ng mga sandwich. Ayun. Well, mga Dawa guys, I have a great time. And of course, the view was so beautiful. And it was really
I have a
amazing.
sandwich.
And of course, mga Dawa guys, mula sa bansa in Korea, the buffet in here in Korea sa halagang 7,000 won. I have a great
I have
time.
a 30
Cheers,
sandwich.
guys, and thank you so much sa iyong palibre. Maraming salamat po. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you my next vlog. I love you all. Bye-bye.